What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another video. I'm here. This is the either Eagle Lake or Eagle Ridge Mall. I always get that wrong. I'll make sure I put it in the proper title below, but we're in Lake Wales. And they're having a carnival take place here. These, I bet you, are all the vehicles transporting all this. I think this is Dreamland Amusements. I think this is done. Oh, Superman. So they must have a Superman ride over there. Yeah, I bet you this is a lot of the vehicles for the carnivals. We're heading over there now. Gonna walk around and show you. I just filmed a seafood and street food festival they're having in the parking lot today as well. So there's one of the rides that's not operational. I think the first day for this carnival was just the other day. So we're gonna head over there and I'll walk around and show you guys. But it's free admission, but obviously you gotta pay to ride the rides and play the carnival games and all that stuff. Now I gotta figure out how to get in there. So they have a good old fence around it. So we're gonna head over there and I'm gonna figure that out. I actually filmed a carnival here last year. I don't know if it was done by the same company or not.
Yeah, it's closed.
So they have lots of duty calls, places, outhouses, Ed Heads, the stinky room, and all the other kind of things you could think of to call a bathroom stall. Okay, finally found a way to get in here, guys. Let's walk around. 50 tickets, $62. 20 tickets, $32. One ticket, $1.50. Now, of course, some rides require more than one ticket. Nice, tasty lemonade. Of course, they'll have carnival food, carnival games, carnival rides. All the good old stuff. It's like face painting, photo booth. I couldn't imagine what it takes to set all this stuff up. It must be a real pain in the ass.
All you gotta do is knock it down, win a prize, anything in the sky, fall on the fly.
Maybe next time, thank you. Yeah. I think maybe next time. Look how big those things are. Of course, they also have the face painting, or no, not face painting, caricatures. Photo booths, which is, I haven't seen them too many at carnivals, more recently. Oh, here's that one machine where you gotta punch and show your strength. Here's a classic one. What is that? That is the Music Express. Here's Cappy's soft served ice cream. Ooh, they have root beer floats. Of course, some vendors selling stuff in here too. Here's the tornado. A lot of different ones. I'll try to show you everything. Oh, here's the Sizzler. A lot of classic rides I recognize from carnivals of the past. And there's Yum Boba, boba tea, smoothies, shaved ice, and lemonades, I believe. Basically gonna walk around the perimeter and then go inside. Here's some of the more smaller rides for the smaller kids. funnier ones. It's Dino, and then here's a really small roller coaster, which he's fixing right now. It's called the Orient Express. It is kind of cool, that dragon they have in the head there. Yeah, I like the colors, and look at this one. There's the Ferris wheel. This one, oh, this one's called Crazy Cabs. It doesn't look that high up when you're down here, but that's pretty high. Look at that thing going. These are always cool. I always like these like fun houses. This one's called Planet Rock and Roll, so obviously it's rock and roll themed. I always like these. They're almost always generally this shape and this size. I went to a carnival when I was a kid, and it was bigger than this and more in depth. But a lot of them are this shape and size. There's not really a lot to them. You definitely gotta keep an eye on where you're going, because there's a lot going on with these things. This one seems to be a little bit bigger than some of the ones I've seen. I do always like seeing these. These are always pretty cool. One thing I used to not see at carnivals when I was a kid, I mean, I didn't go to a lot of them, is these claw machines. And this has several of them here. With different variety of prizes. Scooby-Doo and the Trolls, and I think that's Hello Kitty. Some sort of squid or something. Was that Powerpuff Girls maybe? I don't know. Looney Tunes, so I definitely know that. The variety of them. There's what is that? Motorcycle jumping, that ride's called. Back to where you do the tickets. Now let's show a little bit of the inside here. There's more like the carnival games where you can win things. More fair food. Almost every carnival, state fair, county fair has a variety of this. This one's called Sea Dragon. It looks like it's like Viking themed. But they almost always have a variation of this ride. And last time I went on that ride, boy, it raised my blood pressure with going back and forth. So I think I'll definitely won't be going on that thing. But I used to enjoy it more when I was a kid than as an adult. And of course, there's more of those claw machines on the other side. And there's a food vendor, Mr. Shish Kebab. Very clever name. So they have burgers, Italian sauce, probably shish kebabs, hot dogs and gyros, different foods. It does actually smell pretty darn good, I will admit that.
Water gun fun. So you get its best. Water racing, water chasing.
Do you know where the value is in the
Take two to get going, guys. Get forward.
And the guy kind of looks like, reminds me of Dave Hester from Storage Wars a little bit. I know it's not. That's what he just reminds me of. See some of these fast rides here in the middle. I'll be showing all of them. But there's more like carnival games over here. I want to show you these. This one's called Helicopter, for obvious reasons. Ugh, look at that. No, thank you. I'm just getting dizzy. I'm just getting dizzy looking at that thing. This one's called Zero Gravity. I've seen a variety of these kind of rides. Sometimes it's called like flying saucer or things like that. Basically pushes you up against the wall. I remember going to that stuff when I was a kid. Gonna pass definitely in that. That will definitely raise your blood pressure up. Yeah, a lot of this stuff as a kid I would have enjoyed more than I do as an adult. Hey, look, there's Pickle Rick. Pickle Rick. I got one of those hats from Epcot, a lot bigger than that. This one's called Jeeps 4x4, obviously, because they're little Jeeps. But I'm almost done showing you everything, guys. Okay, this one's called Fire Engine for obvious reason, because it's a little fire engine. And finally, it's another version, tractors. Because they're little tractors, they basically go around in circles. Okay. Okay, this is just a quick walk around. Yeah, it looks like it is done by Dreamland Amusements. But okay. Just a quick little walk around to show you what's here at this carnival here in Lake Wales. And I gotta double check how long they're gonna be here. I think they're gonna be here for about a week, 10 days. So depending on when I get this video up, still may have some time to see everything. Here's a different size chart. Alright, any comments or questions, let me know. This is just a quick little walk through of this carnival. I think there's interest in this stuff. I always found it interesting with just looking at these old classic rides. So yeah, and they're fun to take the kids to and just at least just walk around and do some games, do some rides, you know, try some carnival fair foods. Yeah, always definitely check it out if you're interested. If anything, it's something to do, walk around, especially if you don't have a lot in your neck of the woods, you know. All right, you know what that means. Time to get on to the next ones. All right, cool, bye. Peace, everyone. All right, here's some information about that carnival. It's February 26th to March 8th, and it's the Eagle Lake Mall. There's the address. And it's by DreamlandAmusements.com. So you have until March 8th to visit it. And I found these inside the food court of the mall. Alright.